Hey, what's up guys, it's IronSmasher 1024 here, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we're going to be unboxing third-party Joy-Cons. And I got from Amazon, so let's do it. Alright, bought this on Amazon. I thought why not get some third-party Joy-Cons just because I thought I wanted to start a collection. And I didn't get it, and by the time I was recording I was actually kind of somewhat after the other unboxing video, and I didn't even Justice 2 final for the story mode. Without further ado, let's get into it. Let's see here. Get this boy open. Using one hand, obviously. Alright. And we are greeted to a few things here. Alright, so these are the Joy-Cons, third party. We have, ooh, they gave us grips. Very different version of grips right here. Alright. These are more weird looking, but at the same time more slick. And it doesn't have a clip from the looks of it, so this could be an in and out. At least from what I could tell. I don't think this goes on the... Yeah, it doesn't. I mean, it goes in a Joy-Con, but the Joy-Con wise doesn't have a clip or something, like a clip or some reason. Ooh, we have our own grip. That is pretty interesting. It does have the buttons. Okay. These don't seem to be charged. The buttons are kind of small, or in some ways. The grip is kind of. Oops. I dropped it. Grips are pretty decent. One of them does have battery charge a little bit. The other one does not. Oh, it does. Alright. Looks pretty cool. Alright. Let me get one of my Joy-Con. And then we can take out one of these Joy-Con. On the left, we have the official, versus on the right, we have a third party. What I can tell from the third party is the bottom part of it, while this is flat, this one does have a little bit of a bulkiness limp on it. As you can tell, the bottom part is fatter, while this one's skinnier. Very, very interesting. The trigger, yeah, this trigger is fine, and this one, it's almost identical. There's more click on the L button. It's kind of more harder to press the SL and SR on the side because it's slightly more smaller. The sync button, however, is more easy to access. Ooh, alright. The somewhat D-pad style buttons right here aren't too bad. They're slightly more interesting. Yeah, it's almost pretty much the exact same analog stick. It does feel slightly different, but at the same time it does feel the same. I feel like it's more out. Gives me more rotation and axis a little bit, so that's pretty cool. The grip does feel pretty good. Right now I'm just using one hand to feel the grip. But it does clip on pretty easily. It's kind of smaller-ish more than the other usual clipper. This one can't stand, unfortunately. It does feel pretty interesting though. Right here we have the official versus a third party right over here. Obviously these are very different. This one though does feel slightly bit bigger, bit wider, of course. Yep. Joy-Cons do look the exact, almost looks the exact same height wise, but I think it's like the third party one might be slightly bigger. It's hard to tell. It does look pretty cool though. I'm going to try to put the grip, one of the grips, the third party one on here. Actually, no, I won't. Actually, no, I don't, because it won't. Because the thing's more flat. I already know it's not going to go in. So what I am going to try, I'm going to try to put a normal switch on the first party Joy-Con into the third party grip. And it is doable. So it is possible to put a first party Switch Joy-Con in a third party grip, but I wouldn't recommend it because it is kind of jingly and it isn't tight or anything. But other than that, it is pretty cool and good to use in the event that you don't have an actual first party. So this is kind of an obviously choice if you do not have a first party grip. You could get a third party, but of course, like I said, it is kind of a little bit jiggly on the top and bottom. So of course it's jiggly a little bit regardless if you have this one, because it is kind of slightly less jiggly, because these actually do belong here, but it's very interesting. Let's plug them in, see if it has anything on the Joy-Con, and see where it goes from there. Alright, let's go to the pair screen real quick. Bye. And then of course change grip order. Alright. Link pairing up with the third party Joy-Cons. Ooh, they actually do have the color. Red. Alright. That's pretty interesting. And if I look at it from a distance, it does look like the official Joy-Con. But of course, a reminder, these are not the official Joy-Con. These are third-party official licensed Joy-Con. But they do look pretty cool though. I can't wait to see. I'm going to play them. And of course, we could play them from a distance. Let me get the other. Alright. And of course, obviously it says it's, it's a Joy-Con. Alright. These do look pretty cool though. Very nice. And of course, I do have the grips on it. These are compatible with all the games. Includes motion with vibration functionality, built-in battery which can last about 24 hours, and a few other things. And of course, I don't know if it has wake up, so we can test it out right now. I'm holding the home button. The home button does not have LED, it's just a very weird home button. And it does have the wake up call, okay. That's good to know. It did make a weird... That is weird though. It is making weird sound effect though. I'm not sure if that's the HDMI or is it... That is kind of weird. But yeah, it has... Basically this works though, it's pretty cool. I am going to be testing it with other games and all that part. Unfortunately, you won't be seeing that on today's video though, but I hope you guys enjoy it. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the video though, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.